Hey guys, welcome back. This is Naresh. So in the last video, we have seen what are the instance variable and what are the static variables. In this video, we will see what are the static methods and what are the class methods. Yes, so if you see that here, we are trying to update the name of the school directly in our program. But whenever you are dealing with the class variables, you always have to use the class methods to update them or to access them. So what I will do, I will just remove it from here, and now I will create another method, and here I will give one keyword here, which is @class methods. Okay, and here I will say def and I will say update, and here I can say student or maybe school name. Okay, and I will give parenthesis. If you see that as soon as I am giving a parenthesis, it is giving me one variable which is CLS. So that's mean this is a class method and this should be used to update or to work with the class state. So if I want to update this school name, which is a class variable, I can just give CLS dot school name, and here I can update the class or its name. It's Saint. It was Saint Soldier. Right now I will put Saint Paul's School. Okay, that's it. So now if I want to use this class method, what I need to do for this, I don't have to use this S1 object. I can directly use a class which is student dot, and I can call this update school name here. Okay, so that's mean whenever I am working with the object, I have to use S1, like S1.print name, and when I have to create it, I will say S1 equal to student. But when I am working with this class method, I can directly make the use of student, which is a class here. If you will see, I will put a dot and I can use any kind of a method which is a class method. And if I run that, you will see now it has updated the name in all the objects. So that's mean any changes which you do in this class method, which has been done through a class method, it will update the data of the entire objects which depend upon this class. So that's mean if you make a change one place or if you call a function once, it will have an impact on the other objects also. Okay, so that's the use of a class method. Now there's one more method which we call it as an static method. So what it is, I will give one decorator here which is @ and I will say static method, and here I can say def. Let's assume that I need to create one function which will give me that my student age is greater than 18 or not. So I will say is adult, and here I can take as an input age. If you notice that in the is adult method, I have not used any CLS, and even I have not used self, which we do through a static for the static methods. So here what I am doing, I am just giving is adult age. I am not giving CLS here. I am not giving self also, and directly I can just return if my age is greater than 18 or not. You can also see that it's one kind of a utility. Okay, so it's a utility which will give me the age is greater than 18 or not. So in my program, what I can do, I can create one variable and I can give age as 19, age equal to 19, and here I am just giving a variable, passing a variable here age. And if I want to use this method like the same way we have used student.update school name, I can also use something like student dot is adult. So here also I will not use an object S1 here, but I am making the use of a student class itself. And if I run that, okay, it's give me an error. Let's see, it says is adult is missing one required argument age. Okay, so I need to give argument here also, because that's how it will evaluate. If I run that, and let's see, okay, so I need to print the result. So I will give it under the print because it is evaluating, but we are not getting any results. So let me run that now again. Now see, it has written me true. So that's mean for this object the age is 19 and it is greater than 18, which is true. And if I just make the age as 15, and if I run this, now if you see that I am getting a false. Okay, so both these kinds of methods belongs to a class methods also, static method also. And what is the difference? This class method can access the data of any class variable which is defined in the class, and this static method is kind of a utility. It does not can change the state of a class or data of the class, but it is kind of a utility which we can use. So it's depend upon your purpose, for which purpose you want to create these two methods. Okay, so you can create this normal methods also, which are the instance method, or you can create this class method also, or you can create this static method also, depending upon the need of your project. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.